Hi, want to know how to set charge limit battery to 85% on your Samsung Galaxy A14? So, as a first step, open settings on your phone and then find this tab which is named battery. Click on it and here we would need to enable this feature which is named battery protection. Then click on the name of this tab and as you can see here we got three options. Why is this feature even existing? Because keeping your battery at full 100% charge for a long time can reduce its lifespan. So here we got three options, which is basic, adaptive, and maximum. Basic one is when your battery is charged up to 100%, charging will stop until the battery level drops down to 95, and then charging will start again. Adaptive one is use maximum while you're asleep and switch to basic before you wake up. Sleep time is estimated based on your phone usage patterns. And now the last option here is your battery will stop charging when it reaches 80%. And the last option is the most good one for saving your battery's lifespan. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.